Hello everyone. Today, let me guide you how to add a network in your Metamask. Go to your wallet and from the dApp option, go to nordekscan.com. Scroll to the end of the page and click on Add NRK mainnet. Now, click on Switch Network. At the bottom of the page, you will see a message, Nordek is now active. Now going back to your wallet, at the top center you will see that the Nordek blockchain is now active. You can now easily save your NRKs in the wallet. Using the same method, you can also add any other blockchain as well. Just go to their blockchain. At the end of the page, you will see Add Network option with same or similar name. Click on it and that particular network will be added to your wallet. I hope it was helpful.